Hello everyone, my name is Maikia and I am a student at the University of Cincinnati Blue Ash College, and I am currently in Physics 1051, which is General Physics 1 with Professor Stocker. For this Pencast, I am doing question 1, part A in Mastering Physics, which is adding forces at angles. For this question, it's a series of questions. It gives us some background. Two forces, F of 1 and F of 2, are both acting on the same object but in different directions. F of 1 is 8 newtons at an angle alpha equals 57 degrees above the negative x-axis. F of 2 is 7 newtons at an angle beta is equal to 53.8 degrees below the negative x-axis. So for part A, the question asks, what is the x component f of x of the resultant force? So I already did a little bit of pre-work here and drew the figure that's given to us in Mastering Physics with my f of 1 angle alpha, f of 2 angle beta. Sorry for all the specs in the video, my camera is cracked, so just bear with me. So to get started, we're trying to find f of x. So what I use to do this problem is I set up the formula f of x is equal to f of 1 cosine alpha plus f of 2 cosine beta. And I use cosines because in order to find the x component, you have to use the cosine function. Because if you can remember, cosine is equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse, which is equal to x over r from trigonometry. So you just plug in f of 1, which was 8.0 newtons, cosine of alpha, which was 57 degrees, plus f of 2, which was, running out of space here, so I'm going to go to the next line, 7.0 newtons, cosine, and beta was 53.8 degrees. So for the first part, you get 4.36 newtons plus 4.13 newtons is what you get for the second part. And then you just add the two together and you get f of x is equal to 8.4 8.49 newtons. Although this is your answer, well, part of your answer, you're not finished yet. And the reason why is because you need to determine the sign of your exponent. Since both of your forces lie in the negative x direction, your answer is actually f of x is equal to negative 8.49 newtons. So, what is the x component, f of x, of the resultant force? Negative 8.49 newtons. And that is how I got my answer.